How to delete your Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your Google account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete your Google account, open up any of the Google app on your Android or your iOS device. So I'll just open the default Google browser app, not Chrome but my browser. You can just open any of it if you want, and you have to tap on the Google profile photo from the top right corner, and here you'll find manage your Google account button. So just tap on this button. Now it's just changed to Google account, but in your case it could be written as manage. So just tap on the manage Google account button, and once you do so, you'll be taken to this specific page right over here. And over here what you want to do is here you want to scroll to the tab called data and privacy, and once you go to the data and privacy tab, again you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen over here. Once you scroll down to the bottom, select the option called delete your Google account. So you might be confused because there is another option called delete a Google service, but you don't want to do that. That is only to delete some of the apps and plugins that is linked with your Google account. But if you want to delete a Google account itself, tap on delete your entire Google account button, and you'll be able to see all of the things that is going to get deleted with your account. But first of all, you have to verify your password as well. So let me just go ahead and then do that. After you enter your password, tap on the next button. If your password is correct, you'll see this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to see all of the things that is going to be deleted along with your Google account, which means your Gmail, your Google Photos, all of your Google Photos within the Google account is also going to get deleted. Your YouTube account, if your YouTube channel is associated, that is also going to get deleted. Your calendar and your contacts, if you have synced your contacts to your Google account, as well as your Google Play apps. If you've purchased some apps, you're going to lose access to all of those as well. So you just have to keep that in mind, and just select yes, I acknowledge, and yes, I want to permanently delete, and tap on the delete account button, which is at the bottom right corner. And that's all it takes to delete your Google account, but there are lots of risks if you have lots of things involved. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.